Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fissner. How are you doing, guys? So, in today's episode, I would like to sum up all the purchases of the Bluetooth devices I bought from Aliexpress, which ones I regret and which one I don't. We will look at the Aliexpress, how much they were, and believe me, better not buy. When it comes to Bluetooth speakers, we had Lenovo, this, yes. If you've got a good phone, believe me, or a good tablet with a good audio system, will be better than this one, which is still not as terrible as my newest purchase. I won't even play you music because I know there are issues and I would have to SoundCloud record it or something. It's pathetic. It's pathetic, guys. It was like £2 or something. They shouldn't sell it. To be true, this one I've placed 1-star review, and I said the quality. When you connect it, there are
Bluetooth mode.
It's like only high-pitched sound. There's completely no bass, any. Like 100 hertz at least, nothing. It's just pathetic. When music plays, it's pulse with modulation somewhere over there. It's like no feedback system, I'd say, or something that doesn't filter. So if you see anything like that on AliExpress, don't, really don't. To be true, yes, to be true. This is a Bluetooth module. You can buy it cheap on AliExpress. I don't have here, it's over there. I won't be showing you, but there are modules which are ready. Here I've got one ready as well. You see? This is a Bluetooth module with 3.5mm jack. This can work only as a receiver, I think, not as a receiver and transmitter, but there are as well those which can work as a receiver and transmitter. This is really cheap. This costs only a few quid, yes. And then you can choose the output here, yes, to use an amplifier and amplify it. So then again, you can buy any old radio, like literally old one, which you get for free or get for a few quid, and as long as the sound is nice, add Bluetooth to it. Smaller, bigger one, you know how it sounds, so it's not a problem, yes. You can go to car boot sell and buy for $5 or $10 some hi-fi, as long as you've got RCA connectors, yes, you can connect it and just buy Bluetooth module, few quid. Even you can buy it on eBay, you don't have to go to AliExpress. But this is pure rubbish. Don't buy it, you'll regret. Yes, you'll regret, guys. It came with a micro USB cable. It's supposed to read micro SD cards, but still the quality is literally, and supposed to have a radio, which I don't even want to go to test the radio. That will be probably lying here, and we can think, look at this design. Look at this design. And look at Sony design, because Sony got really nice speaker, which cost much more. So for those who haven't seen, here's the speaker. That's better quality, but still, guys, for Lenovo, they should really follow the steps of Sony and make a really nice sounding speaker, not what they've created. It's literally, it's not worth spending money. Yes, it was cheap, agree, but why making something pathetic in the first place? Just to sell it, like, really? Don't buy cheap Bluetooth speakers. That's my opinion. For now, I haven't found one decent one. I've ordered speakers, which I will show you. It's a full spectrum speaker, so you can connect high frequency, mid-range, and the bass. And we can see how does it sound. If that sounds well, we can use this module for a few quid and we can create our own amplifier class D for few quid, literally. And I'm waiting on those speakers. When they will come, I will make some small hi-fi project. It will be new, and I don't like those new ones because there is so much e-waste around us that you can make for real good audio Bluetooth system that it's a waste. But I want to build as a point that, you know, like you will know what to pick when you want to buy something, yes, and how does it reflect. I've got old bass speaker as well over there. I got few actually, so we can do it. Okay, the next part of the video, because I want to keep it under 10 minutes, is about earphones and earbuds. So earbuds here, I've got those three. Okay, so first I bought those. To be true, I can't find better than those. These are really cheap. I'll show you at the end. Yes, very nice. Battery holds somewhat well. Have a wee display here and a button to press it at the top to check the battery status without pulling them out, which is nice actually. And it's on the micro USB connector. Fine, no issues with them. I wear them even when I'm going to the shop with those, and you know, like trying to change them and see which ones are better. These are quite bulky, you know, when you take them out, it's easy to take them out, but they are quite bulky. So when I got them in my ear, you can see that, you know, this is not terrible, but it's bad. Now look at those. I bought those. These have a nice magnet. It's a really gentle, but it's really nice magnet. Now to take them out is slightly awkward. Oh, not the one, sorry, I'm always forgetting that they are making it left to right and right to left, and that's not the first seller. Okay, these are a bit pinky. Pink is my new obsession. Pink is not even a question. See, the downside is this blinking blue. Why you would do it, you know? They are more like, these ones are quite big, these ones are quite small. Okay, these ones, new ones, have slightly better bass, and you can distinguish the difference in between those and those. Slightly better bass, but everything, and they are smaller. But the battery, I didn't test it yet. They are smaller, so I don't expect anything wow. Plus, I don't know the quality of the microphone because I haven't communicated through them. And yeah, so they are smaller. You can see the difference when you look at them. And if you want to do the bass, that sounds better. Only it's beeping. This is more subtle. Yes, that doesn't disturb so much. So to sum up, still those are the best. They don't have great bass, no, but I've dropped them once. They've opened, and I can say that I was able to just put them back together. Yes, and they dropped from like over 1.5 meters. Yes, I'm 1.70 m, so 70 few centimeters. So they dropped from my ear literally when I had maybe like that, over 1.5 meters. Yes, they've opened, but I was able to close them, no issues. All of them can disconnect at a random time and connect back. What is the reason to that? There can be a number of reasons. One can be smaller power, you know, like they are discharged. Two, there can be some interference from surroundings, and there can be some fault with them. Yes, so all of them. Like, I haven't found one single of those cheaper ones that wouldn't do it. I haven't found yet. If I'll find, I'll be first to let you know. But for now, the packaging here, it's really nice. It's really smooth. The base is the best, and they are smaller. They are not as bulky as these ones. But how long battery will last or how the microphone will work, I don't know. It's a bit more awkward to pull them out from the packaging as well. Yes, so not super happy with those, but they can compete somewhat with those. These are the last ones. Now let's look, because it's 10 minutes, let's do 1 minute on the AliExpress and that's us. Okay, I will try to do it in 1 minute. So at the end of the day, those ones are $2.90, but if you're gonna scroll down, it's $11.88 for 6 items. So that's mean £2 per each. So these are really nice ones comparing to these ones. So I would say these ones are better, yes? Why 50? £2. You can get them for £3-4 usually on AliExpress, yes? So these are still cheap if you don't buy them in this promotion. Now these ones are worse ones. Those are the more bulky ones, and the quality of the sound the least of them. And then these are those. Yes, again, I bought several items. I paid $11.86. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. So again, £2 for those. So again, £2 for those is acceptable. Yes. So you see the prices. You can compare, and you can see that it's not a wow, because it's super cheap. You go to us, they spend £10-15 on poor quality anyway. So I can say easily those can be sold for £10 easily. That's not a problem. You sell one, you get 5 pairs, so it's a win-win, you can say. Yes, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one, and please remember, don't buy cheap Bluetooth speakers. They are sounding or working rubbish. Not worth your money nor time. See you in the next one. Bye bye.